Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross, hot cross buns. Howdy, stranger. Welcome to Dinkle Town. This is my turf, and I want you to know that this town actually is big enough for the two of us. So I'm Dinkle, and I am the president of the town. I am the town furniture maker, and I also take care of the horses. Can you take me high? So like I said, my name is Dinkle, or Dink, or you could just call me Bridgid, which is my given name. I founded Dinkle Town in 2017, and we started with a population of 1, but we have exploded in the past few years to a population of 3. So down the road there, you'll see Wendell's Apothecary. Wendell is our resident physician, so if you're not feeling well, he can hook you up with some Advil, Tylenol. Do you at least have some of those gummy vitamins? Okay, yeah. He'll take care of you. And our other resident is our boy Crispy. He is our vibes curator. He curates the vibes. That's really all we can ask of him, and we're really happy with the work he's done on that. So I spend most of my days in Dinkletown in my wood shop building furniture, and I began my woodworking journey when I was about 22, I think. I was in college and pretty broke, and so my whole formative furniture making experience was shaped by being a gal with limited funds who also lived in a studio apartment. I used whatever tools I could find secondhand and also whatever material I could find secondhand. I used a lot of particle board, and I was constantly creeping on people's tree lawns before trash pickup day. And I began crafting because I wanted to make cute items for my apartment. I started in kind of more of the DIY/maker scene. I had no pre-existing knowledge of furniture making or fine craft or fine woodworking, let alone various styles of furniture or historical, types of furniture. I really just wanted to recreate some kitschy stuff that I saw on Pinterest or Target.com. So for the first 6 years of my woodworking journey, I had no formal or in-person education. I worked solely off of information I could find on the internet. And it wasn't until last year, 2023, that I took my first week-long in-person woodworking class. I made this wall-hanging sapele cabinet. And then in 2024, I took my first chair-making class. So that was also an amazing experience. And so that's a very small glimpse into the origin story of Dinkletown. My woodworking skills have evolved so much over the past 8 years, but my experience and the way I build furniture and the way I woodwork is still shaped by that younger version of myself who only had access to a cordless drill and a mini circular saw. And so many of my furniture making values rest on trying to build the finest craft I can, trying to build really finely crafted furniture and understanding what that takes, while also being very thrifty with it and being very resourceful. So if you would like to follow along more with this journey, consider becoming a resident of Dinkletown. We are accepting new citizens at this time. But that's all I have to say today. As you can imagine, I'm incredibly busy, so I'm gonna get back to work.